Good morning. Do I hear my alarm clock? Is that him? Oh, wow. Did you sleep well? Okay. Good morning, guys. So, this is Graham. This is my alarm clock. Ready to spend the day with me?
Alright, guys, it's time to shower. Graham, are you coming in with me? Oh, guess so. This is a trick! My grandma taught me that trick. You like go like that and you just my hair is Photoshop ready. It was just, one of those days. This is way too pale for my spray tan. So that was fair light. We're medium today. There we go. Medium neutral. We're keeping it pretty basic today. Just some foundation, some brows, some liquid eyeliner, mascara. I need full focus for this. Full focus. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish my makeup and alright, makeup's on, hair is done. I just made my bed. The first thing I always like to do in the morning usually is make my bed, so I don't get back into it and I already got something done. So check out my checklist. I'm wearing the most cozy Guess matching set.
So cute.
Only you knew how soft it was. I'm not gonna have this one. Let's go. Breakfast is one of my favorite meals of the day, and I usually always have eggs with a side of oatmeal or yogurt or some fruit, whatever I'm feeling or having in the apartment. And today we are stocked up, so let's get cooking. First things first, my blended iced coffee, just some cold brew. Put that in. Nice babies. Look, we have a little bear. His name is Ted. We have Fred. And Peter. We have a party in there. Don't judge us. It's from TikTok. And then we had a ritual. Audrey, what is it?
Gotta blend outside.
Yes, sir. Graham is losing his rocker. This is a good lighting. This is where we do all our photos and whatnot. Yo, so this is my famous blended Greece. We call it Greece because when you go to Greece, this is like what they're for. Samuel Jackson. And then I love milk. That's gross, but that's how we do it. I blend my eggs. I make them very fluffy. Sir, you're barking a lot today, and we don't really like it because we're actually trying to film for the first time. Fluffy eggs are now ready. Just pour it on in. And then a little trick is everything bagel seeds while your eggs are cooking. Sprinkle it on because it's a nice season. If I look at my camera roll, my breakfast probably looks the same every single day, but a little different. I'm all about fueling yourself up for the day with a nice big breakfast, protein.
Yum.
Look at that fluff.
Wow.
Ooh. It's a big girl breakfast. So I love ketchup on my eggs. So we have eggs. So right here we have cottage cheese with pineapple, blueberries, and kiwi. And then a double egg with some ketchup, cream cheese on a flagel. So getting all my carbs, protein, and fruit in. Keep me nice and full.
That's what it looks like when you normally eat breakfast.
No. Eat breakfast? Just stuff in my face.
Are you my best little friend ever? Are you? I love you so much.
Taking a work break to play with Graham.
I love you so much.
He's a little boy.
Yeah, because Mommy loves you. Mama loves you.
I have the worst dog voice.
Are you so cute? I love you.
Jen, what are you making?
So I'm making my famous banana muffins. Super easy to make and only 4 ingredients. Oatmeal, peanut butter, chocolate chips, and some syrup. We're gonna put chocolate on the bottom. And then we fill it with some of that. I love dark chocolate. I can't go a day without it, so chocolate for the freaking win. Alright, and that's it. I'm gonna go bake it. Alright, it's time to bake them now. I'm gonna do 20 minutes. Oh, this makes it more. Oh wow. Okay, it's 20 minutes. They're gonna be good, guys. I'm very excited.
Yum.
They're almost ready. I'm just checking in on them. My muffins came out so freaking good. Now we're gonna go shoot some photos and videos in the hall. This is our shooting location, so I need to change and get ready to shoot. We have 3 videos to film, and we're gonna be using this camera, so we'll show some behind the scenes. Yeah, my dad's coming in. Gonna have some lunch, dinner. We'll be back soon. But
What are we having? What are we having for dinner?
Audrey over here. I wish I could see you. What are we having? We're having everything. Shrimp, chickpea pasta, bagels. Why? If someone doesn't know me, I'm being very weird right now. It's a weird clock. Oh man, maybe. Alright guys, I'm gonna go squat. Guys, I made frozen coffee hearts. Look how cute. I also made cereal yogurt. Whoa!
What was that?
I don't know what that was. It's time to get shooting. We'll join you in a bit. Also, our lunch break will be in touch, but I gotta change, even though I'm so cozy in my guest outfit. But I'll be back in it soon. See you guys. I have this weird new thing I do. I always go, woo! I'm weird. We're done shooting. Guys, we just finished shooting and now taking in this beautiful sunset. Good, do you love it? Are we cozy? Do you like my new guest jacket, guys?
All right, what are we having for dinner?
We're gonna have everything. I'm cooking in the storm tonight. My dad's here. I'll go introduce you to him, and we're gonna have a fun night. This right here, this is my best friend, my dad. Dad, why are you being awkward?
I'm not.
He's awkward. Anyway,
Just-
he's usually very friendly and hyper. My love for food comes from him because growing up he taught me how to cook. You're being awkward. It's a special day.
Cooking up here.
Yeah, what are you making for us?
I haven't seen him in a month and a half.
Too long.
You're in
Too
LA.
long.
Freaking COVID.
Oh, nice, Jen. Nice.
Yeah, yo, we're getting busy. Where you used to cook for me and I cook for you.
Beautiful.
I love cooking for everyone, and I like feeding everyone before I feed myself.
Taught you well.
Yum.
Doing a little bit of everything tonight. Audrey, do you love my food?
So good. The best.
I love garlic.
Gotta smash that cookie.
I'm up to something else. I'm making some. You'll see what I'm on to over here. Guys, I love cooking. Love it.
Jen in her element.
I am in my game.
You rather eat or cook?
Eat. Alright, so you have a little bit of everything. Protein, carbs, veggies. I like making a little bit of everything always. How about that
Yum.
Parmesan cheese for the win? Yum. Audrey, Dad, y'all ready to dig in?
Yes.
Alright, so this looks a little bit different than usual, because usually I eat alone, and whatever. So today we went a little ham. Alright, let's go sit and eat. I hope you guys had fun with us today. Love you guys, man.
How is it?
Delicious.
You approve?
Mm-hmm.
Just want me well.
Delicious.
Mom.